3 different sounds of gunfire. The one that whizzes above your head, it wasn't for you. And the one that just pops off somewhere else, it's not for you. The one that snaps by your ear, you know it's for you. It changes you. We just did a big change out, sitting there, eating an MRE. We hear rounds going off, boom, boom, boom. All you hear is, and see your buddy go, Murdy went down! Someone go over there. Corpsmen start running over there. Albright's on the radio, it's like, hey, yeah, he did this. And I'm sitting there like, what the fuck just happened? And all of a sudden you see pure chaos.